Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the overall market so that you stay informed in the world of Web3. My name is Web3 Spud, and today we're going to go through the recent price action, some news stories for you guys, and also why the CPI went down than predicted, and also the FOMC meeting later on today, guys. So as always, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and always put in the comments as well. We'll go through some altcoins. Always good to see you guys in the chat. Let's have a look who we've got in the chat at the moment. We've got Stockville Coin. Hello, hello. And we've got Hugo as well, also saying hello, hello. Awesome to see you guys. But yeah, look, let's dive right into it. We can see Bitcoin here is creeping back up to 70,000. If we click on it here, we can see it was all the way down at 67,000. CPI data came in. Let's have a quick look. Let's go on to the 1 hour chart here. But yeah, look, we can see all the way down at 67,000. CPI data comes in, whoop, and up we go, guys. So yeah, look, we're trying to break through the resistance at 70K. Will we see it? I want to know your opinion, guys. We've got Jordan here saying LFG, and we've got Christian as well. Hi, Christian, how are you doing today? And we've also got Christian saying hello to everyone here. So guys, what's your predictions on Bitcoin? Will we break through that 70,000 resistance? Let me know. But let's head over to some news for today. First news story today is actually from CoinDesk. So the US CPI was flat in May, beating expectations. Bitcoin rises to 69.2K, actually 69.8 right now. Ooh, I think it even touched that 70K there as well. So softer inflation data could prove a boom to recently under pressure digital asset prices. So the US Consumer Price Index, CPI, was flat in May, beating economists' forecast for a 0.1% rise and down from 0.3% in April. On a year-over-year basis, CPI was up 3.3% compared to analysts' forecasts and the previous month's reading at 3.4%. So the core CPI, which excludes food and energy costs, rose 0.2% in May, better than forecast for a 0.3% rise and versus 0.3% in April. Year over year, core CPI rose 3.4% against expectations for 3.5% and April's 3.6%. So was this your expectations? I wasn't. I was expecting it to come in at 3.4 myself. Was surprised. If any of you caught the bounce on that, very nice trade from 67,000 up to 69,000 there. So yeah, you can see, look, Bitcoin's up 4% over the past 24 hours after inflation readings rapidly fell in 2022 and 2023 as the Federal Reserve jacked up interest rates. The trend stalled in the previous months at stubbornly high levels. Then policymakers' 2% target, pouring cold water on market participants' expectations of rate cuts. So look, we can see earlier this year, traders anticipated 5 or 6 25 basis points cuts in 2024 by the end of December, which shrunk to 1 or 2 before today's CPI report, with the first cut not happening until September. Yeah, and we've got Christian here saying we spoke about it in premium. Did you catch the bounce there, Christian? Let us know in the chat. Let's head over to the next news story of today. Let's click on this one here. Let's go for it. So Biden's hatred of Bitcoin only helps China, Russia, says Donald Trump. So we've seen Donald has been using cryptocurrency to further his agenda, to become re-elected here. And he's sending shots at Biden. So Trump met with US Bitcoin miners and pledged to advocate mining in the White House. Trump sees Bitcoin mining as last line of defense against central bank digital currencies. In a post on the Truth Social account, the Republican presidential candidate said the opposition to Bitcoin by Biden's administration only helps other countries like China and Russia. So Bitcoin mining may be our last line of defense against the CBDC, Trump posted. Biden's hatred of Bitcoin only helps China, Russia, and the radical communist left. So yeah, look, it says Trump didn't specify how exactly Biden's hatred for Bitcoin helps other nations. However, it's worth noting that China and Russia are some of the biggest countries competing for the Bitcoin mining hash rate. So look, if we go down here, we've got an image here. So despite banning Bitcoin mining in 2021, China accounted for 15% of the global Bitcoin mining hash rate, second only to the United States at 40% as of February 2024. Russia accounted for 12%, the third largest. So you can see, look, Russia here, 12%, China, 15%, USA, 40%. Canada 5% doing well. We've actually got Norway up here 1.5%. That's a funny one to look for. And Kazakhstan, as we know, they do a lot of Bitcoin mining as well. We've got the UAE creeping up here as well with 3%. Ethiopia, that one surprises me. We've got almost 0.5% for Ethiopia. We see some activity, especially down here, Argentina, up here in Venezuela as well. Malaysia 3%, which is surprising as well. But let me know, do you think that's healthy, having USA accountable for 40% of the mining? It's a little bit worrying for me. It's it's good to see some of these Scandinavian countries in blue here as well. I see Germany as well has got a large chunk. North Africa's giving it a go as well. And even Australia down here is in the blue, guys. Let's have a look at the chats as well. So we got Christian saying Stonksy caught the dip as well. Hugo, after discussion in the coffee morning, I got in and traded the bounce. Well done, guys. So yeah, if you're looking to talk with other traders, before this data comes in, CPI data, FOMC data, the conversations are all going down in the Discord, guys, as well. As you can see by the banner going down below, we do have a 10% discount on all memberships going right now, which is CSE10. So go, the links are in the description below. Go plot that in and join us there, guys. We've got Block Pro here saying good evening as well. Nice to see you. Let's head over to the next news story of today, which would be, so Solana could dip to $130. I don't think we've seen that. I think we've seen Solana back over 160 right now. But after 30 validators are penalized over sandwich attacks. So the Solana Foundation has reportedly removed 30 validators from its delegation program for allowing sandwich attacks on users. So let me just type in here for everyone who's wondering what sandwich. I thought we'd have an article here. I'll go back to the story and we'll explain sandwich attacks there, guys. So look, as per a CoinDesk report, citing people familiar with the matter, most penalized validators originate from Russia. Despite the changes, the affected Solana validators will continue to play a crucial role in validating transactions on the network, ensuring its smooth operation and security. However, they will no longer receive additional incentives to provide their services to boost the network's throughput. So look, Solana could dip towards 130 in the following days. Right now, this article is 2 days old, I believe. We're at 160, so it seems that all this drama has kind of been eaten up with the rest of the market going up, CPI data going down, Bitcoin up. The rest of the market has followed. But look, Solana's bearishness is further confirmed by its price trading below the 50-day and 100-day moving averages. In addition, its daily MFI, MACD, and RSI indicate selling pressure, suggesting a potential retest of the 150 support in the following hours or days. But look, nonetheless, Solana's bearish scenarios could be negated if Bitcoin bullishly reclaims the 69,000 to 70,000 price range. So look, that's what we've done. Solana's back over. If we have a look at Solana, let's have a look. Let's share this tab here. Let's go back to the markets page. See where Solana's at right now. Yeah, so just shy of 160. I think it's got resistance at 160 there. Let's go on the 1 hour chart, guys. So yeah, just pipped its head over 160, went all the way up to 162, almost back down a little bit. But this is from the CPI data there. I think if we can reclaim above 160, go up to 165, that will be good for Solana, guys. Let me know what you think as well. But let's head over to the next news story of today. I've seen you mention it already. This is Stonksy, the ultimate trading indicator. So Stonksy is a newly released trading indicator aimed to take the markets by storm. So what is Stonksy? Stonksy is a newly launched leading trading indicator that is available on TradingView. It can be used across all markets, including crypto, stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. But what is it and what makes it better than other indicators? So Stonksy is a momentum identifier that aims to capture expansive market moves before they happen by highlighting the start of potential price shifts. So Stonksy is made up of several moving parts. So we've got the line, background, and here's an example of Stonksy here. So like all indicators, the theory of capturing market moves is only useful if it does what it says on the tin and has a history of correct market identifications. Although past performance isn't always indicative of the future, it can be very helpful. So look, relief begins when Stonksy changes to pink. Then the shift into dark green occurs on the candle with the follow through higher. So we've got lots of examples here. Want to say as well, if you guys are interested in Stonksy, if you are a CSE annual premium member, you get free access to Stonksy as well. I can show the site here. Really slick site as well. Trade like a boss, as it says. Your journey to mastering crypto trading starts here. Dive deep into the world of indicators, trends, and insights. Let your trading game soar to new heights, guided by Stonksy. So really simple to use. It links up with your trading view. Here are some of the packages, guys, as well. But like I say, the best entry to this, you get, access to Stonksy and access to the Discord all through CSC Plus, guys. So go check that out. We've currently got a discount of 10% CSC 10 in the description there as well. Let's head over to Crypto Saving Expert Twitter as well. Let's see what's going on down here. We've got some more articles, but we've also got the FOMC meeting update there. We will be posting about this as soon as it goes live as well on Twitter, and then we will be opening up discussion in the Discord as well. So I will see you guys all in the Discord. Thanks for joining today. It's been a quick one. Tomorrow I will be going live as well, so I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully we've got a guest either tomorrow or Friday. I'm just confirming with them. They're super busy right now, but they're going to come join us as well. I will reveal some more details hopefully tomorrow, so see you guys there. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will catch you at the FOMC meeting. Let's go. Woo!